My name is King Benedict E. Feliciano. My section is OL 22 and 40 in criminal evidence. Define object evidence. Object evidence refers to information based on fact that you can prove by means of search like analysis, measurement, and observation, even if objective evidence is characterized as completely unbiased. Submittal of objective evidence allows a more true review. Define documentary evidence. Documentary evidence is any evidence that is or can be introduced at trial in the form of documents, as a distinguished from oral testimony. What is the best evidence rule? The original of document is one of the contents of which are the subject of subject injury. When a document is in two or more copies executed at or about the same time with identical contents, all such copies copies are equally regarded as original. What is secondary evidence? Secondary evidence of a contents of a document refers to evidence other than the original document itself. What is parole evidence rule? The parole evidence um, rule, evidence rule is a ano, rule in the American common law that governs what kinds of evidence par- parties to a contract dispute can introduce when trying to determine the specific terms of contract. What is testimonial evidence? Testimonial evidence refers to verbal information provided by witness in court testimonies. Review the law's definition and example of testimonial evidence. Learn the rules about testimonies including personal knowledge, opinion, and hearsay. What are the qualification witness? Witness their qualification except as provided in the next succeeding section. All person who can perceive and perceiving can make their own can make their known perception to others may be witness. What are the grounds for disqualification of a witness? A witness may be considered as unwilling or hostile only if so declared by the court upon decree. Showing of his adverse interest, unjustified uh, unjustified reluctance to testify, or his having missed the party into calling him to the witness stand. What are the hearsay evidence rule? Hearsay evidence in a legal forum, in a testimony from under oath witness who is reciting an out of a court statement, the content of which is being offered to prove the truth of the matter asserted. In most court, hearsay evidence in admissible unless an exception to the hearsay rule applies. What are the 11 exceptions to the hearsay evidence rule? A statement that not offered for the truth of statement, but rather than show the statement of mind emotion, or physical condition can be an exception to the rule against hearsay evidence. For instance, testimony that, that there was a heated argument can be offered to the show anger and not for what was said. That's all. Thank you.